So today the wife and I decided we were going to go out to lunch, and it's actually October 2nd, I believe, one of the hottest days we've ever had in October, and we decided we were going to go out for lunch, so we just took a leisurely drive down there. And this particular place is on, your typical main street where there's a lot of little mom and pop shops, things like that. It's tight roads. I understand that. There's a lot of people who like to, parallel park on the sides of the road. I'm not into that, and it doesn't make a difference anyway because there's municipal parking lots behind all of these buildings where there are plenty of spaces. You can park nicely and easily, and then it's just, maybe about a block's walk to where you want it to go. So it's like a no-brainer, just park in the lot. Well, because the roads are so tight in that, there is this little entrance that goes into the parking lot. You will clearly see that when I go in this entrance, it's one way, and there's an arrow pointing the direction I'm going. Until this happens.
That's what my engine.
Right.
Engine is Jack?
Yes.
Wow.
Whoa, hey, what are you doing?
Beep, beep, beep.
What are you fucking doing?
Whoa.
You're going the wrong way.
Just ignore him, Jay. Keep going.
What are you fucking doing, you ass? Look at that dick.
He almost hit you though.
Yeah.
And then he goes open the window to you like you did something wrong?
Yeah.
Fucking asshole. And he almost acted like, I'm coming through, so you back up. What the fuck?
Tries to blame me when he clearly fucked up. The sign was there. Obviously you didn't see it, but it definitely said, do not enter. It was all there, exactly as it should be. The road is clearly one lane. Can't possibly fit two cars down there. And this dick just fucking thought, because he has a truck, he can go wherever the fuck he wants and run over people in a plain old car. I fucking hate people. Anyway, it's a damn good thing I have that dash cam. Yes, I am aware that the date was wrong in the clip itself. I also have another video clip from the same day of another little incident that occurred. Just to show how much of an asshole people are on the road. But anyways, that'll be for another time. I've since reset the date on the dash cam. I don't know why it wasn't set right. I thought I had it. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And in the future, I will have another one of my fun dash cam clips. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.